In a world where disasters can strike anytime without warning, the question is not if, but when.
Sa bawat sulok ng Israel, natural at man-made na panganib ang maaaring magdulot ng pinsala at pagdurusa.
Alam mo ba na ang Israel ay matatagpuan sa tabi ng seismically active na Dead Sea Transfer Fault?
Ito ay nangangahulugan ng panganib na malalaking lindol ay lagi naroon kahit hindi ito madalas mangyari. Isipin ang pagkawasak na maaaring maidulot ng isang malakas na lindol.
Floods, too, are a terrifying reality for Israel, especially in the arid regions of the Negev Desert.
During times of heavy rain, flash floods can come in very quickly, bringing danger and destruction to 25% of unprepared communities. Is it fair for our citizens to be caught off guard?
Wildfires have been increasingly common in Israel, with 25% people affected, particularly during the dry seasons. The tragic events of 2010 on Mount Carmel still echo in our hearts.
Ang mga apoy na ito ay hindi lamang sumisira sa mga kagubatan, kundi nagdadala rin ito ng takot at pagkabahala sa mga tao. Kaya ba natin baliwalain ang mga aral ng nakaraan?
Moreover, the threat of terrorism has loomed over Israel. With every attack, lives lost, dreams dashed, the cycle of violence must be stopped. So, let's ask ourselves, how can we build a future-free Israel against such horrors?
The ongoing conflict has caused immense suffering with countless civilians caught in the crossfire.
Ang mga digmaan ay nagdudulot ng pagkawasak at ang ating mga kababayan ay nararapat lamang na makaranas ng kapayapaan.
Did you know that communities with effective disaster preparedness plans see up to a 50% reduction in disaster-related damage?
Isipin mo, sa simpleng paghahanda, makakabawas tayo sa sakit at pinsala. Ang mga numerong ito ay hindi lamang datos. Ito ay buhay at kinabukasan. Kaya ba nating baliwalain ang gayong ebidensya?
In the face of these daunting challenges, Israel has created a robust disaster preparedness and response system. The Israel Defense Forces, along with the National Emergency Management Authority, work tirelessly to ensure readiness. Ang kanilang pagsusumikap ay mahalaga upang maprotektahan ang ating mga mamamayan sa oras ng krisis. Ang kamalayan ng publiko ay higit sa lahat. Kailangan nating turuan ang ating mga komunidad upang paghandaan ang sakuna dahil ang kaalaman ay kapangyarihan.
Investing in a resilient infrastructure is crucial for minimizing the impact of natural disasters. Buildings designed to withstand earthquakes and effective flood control systems can save lives.
Dapat tayo magtulungan upang matiyak na ating mga infrastruktura ay handa sa anumang sakuna. Ngunit, kailangan din natin tumugon sa pangalaga sa ating kapaligiran. Kailangan natin pangalagaan ang ating kalikasan sa pamamagitan ng mga simpleng hakbang.
Tulad ng pagbabawas ng basura at muling paggamit ng mga bagay at pag-recycle, these actions not only help our planet but also fortify our communities against disasters. Are we doing enough?
To truly prepare, we need to invest in resilient infrastructure, like stronger bridges, better drainage systems, and community shelters. In this way, the damage will be reduced even more in the event of a disaster.
So, what can you do?
Get involved. Educate yourself and others about disaster preparedness, advocate for community training programs, and support policies that enhance resilience.
Let's be proactive.
Not reactive. Huwag nating hintayin ang sakuna upang kumilos.
Tayo ay magtulungan para sa mas maliwanag at mas ligtas na kinabukasan.